Hi everyone! Welcome back to Genius Junkie. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Canva and showing you how to customize Canva templates to create stunning designs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, this tutorial has something for you. Let's get started. Choosing a template. First, head over to Canva and log in to your account. On the homepage, you'll find a variety of templates categorized by type, such as social media posts, presentations, and more. Choose a template that fits your project needs. For this tutorial, we'll use a social media post template. Customizing text. Once you've selected your template, click on the text boxes to start customizing. Change the font, size, color, and alignment to match your brand or personal style. Remember to keep your text readable and visually appealing. Adding images and graphics. Next, let's add some images. You can upload your own photos or choose from Canva's extensive library of free and premium images. Simply drag and drop the images into your design. Resize and position them as needed. Adjusting colors and elements. To make your design unique, adjust the colors of various elements in the template. Click on any element and use the color picker to change its color. You can also add new shapes, icons, and lines from the Elements tab. Saving and exporting your design. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save and export it. Click on the Share button at the top right corner. Choose your preferred file format and hit Download. Your customized Canva template is now ready to be shared with the world. And that's it. You've successfully customized a Canva template. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.